how do you stay on board? That's right. Not bored, on board while you're lead generating. There's so many ways to, because believe me, it's boring. It's boring as all hell sitting there for 2-3 hours, picking up the phone and having people hang up on you and talking to this person. When you get an appointment, it's not boring. That's awesome. When you have a nice conversation, it's not boring. So what I've actually done, this is something that I've done over the last week and a half. You're watching this video, true story. I have an agent friend of mine who lead generates on a regular basis. And I'm like, John, we got to get together. We should lead generate together. So I actually lead generate with somebody via Zoom. The Zoom's up on one screen, the dialer's on the other screen, and and we work together. It gives you that sense of like camaraderie and office-ship. I don't even know if office-ship is a word, but it should be if it's not. And that's one way. I have music playing in the background. I've got my Amazon Alexa, Fire Dot, whatever the heck you want to call it, playing music. Facebook is open. I'm having conversations with people because you don't want to keep too distracted. But I mean, I'm at a point right now in my career where I could be talking to someone on one, and this comes with practice. This is time where I could be talking to someone. And I basically, what I do now is I have my AirPods. So I've got my headset on. I've got one here. That's when I'm talking to somebody. I just dropped my other AirPod on the ground, by the way. I've got this one in another ear. I've got and I'm doing both at the same time. That just comes with practice. So do whatever you can do to make yourself unbored. But keep in mind, the most unboring thing that you can do is have a goal sheet set right in front of your face and realize that I'm going to do this because I want to take care of my family. I'm going to go on vacation. I'm going to buy a Maserati. Whatever is that thing that you're striving for, that will remain. That's the easiest way to remain on board. Have that goal and attain it.